You see what God did to us, man?
Alright guys, just a quick something here. Ordered a new handlebar mount for the Fat Bob. The last one exploded when I tried to put it on a handlebar. So this is made by RICKRAK. I'll let you get a look at that. And there's some literature here. Here is a business card, RICKRAK.com. This mount appeared to be pretty robust when I looked at it or saw it. So let's open it up. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay. All right. Get that out of the way. That's crazy. Oh, I also bought the I get the fork mount too, I believe. Not sure if I'll use it or not, but why not get it? It was only 10 more bucks. Well, this is a ridiculously robust clamp, and that's pretty good size. So, all right, so that's the clamp part. Man, that's crazy heavy duty. All right, what's this? Okay. All right. Wow. There you go. So that frees the whole thing up. Okay, that's pretty cool. Man, that's heavy duty. Okay. I like their screws. They got this knurling on the knobs. That's pretty neat. That is metal as well. Well, I'm impressed. I really am. It's not often you see something. And it was, I think it was what, $69.95. I don't call that a too much of a price to pay for something with this kind of build. It's overbuilt like you wouldn't believe. And I mean, yeah, our GoPros are expensive and all that, and I'm not diminishing that. It's just that this is all machined. I don't know. I don't know if it's aluminum. I don't know. Let's see. Well, that's why I bought it. Just because it claimed how heavy duty it was. I can't remember the one that I was compared it to. What's this here? Okay, yeah, RICKRAK.com. They carry Avon and Custom Dynamics and Clockworks, Drag Specialties, stuff like that. You've seen it on the card. You've seen it. Ooh, nice. Nice little wrench. I guess this is the handlebar? Not the handlebar, but the fork mount. There it is. Picture of it. Alright. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Nice. Alright. Well, I'm not sure what maybe it's one of the glides that this is for, but I figured that we could make some use of it. I mean, the hardware is there, so I gotta go hunting hardware. And then the fork mount was only 10 bucks on top of the price, so it came out to like $79.95, and the shipping was free. So that's that. I don't know where I got this. I think they got this off of Amazon. This is just a leg bag that I've been using to keep all the stuff with me. Phone, there's a cord in here. I keep my key over here. Can you see that? Yeah. Let's look at it that way then. There we go. Yeah, that's on my leg bag. Yeah. Not too high speed, you know. Nothing like that. It just seemed the Velcro patch was there. I thought, oh, why not? Best information you could put on there. So anyway, it's a pretty good bag. I don't expect it to hold up for any amount of time. I think it was $14.99, $19.99. Anyway, that's that. And you probably haven't seen it at all during the whole time because I've been standing over here. So, alrighty. I guess I'll see you guys later. Thanks for dropping by.